In the heart of the Philippines, the sky turned to gray when Typhoon came to steal the day. From the shores of Cebu to Negro, Occidental's plain, the flash floods descended like an unstoppable rain. They braced for the surge, but the water came high and carried them fast beneath the weeping sky.
224 is the toll that we face. 135 still missing without a trace.
We are very, very sorry, the president said, for the high casualty figures, for the loss of our dead. The waters rush swiftly, their current a cruel hand, sweeping away lives across the beloved land. The numbers are cold from the NDRMC scroll. Cebu, the hardest hit, taking the heaviest toll. From Negros Oriental to Agusan del Sur, a chain of destruction that no one could cure. 955 homes shattered and torn, while classrooms lie damaged where futures were born.
224 is the toll that we face. 135 still missing without a trace. We are very, very sorry, the president said, for the high casualty figures, for the loss of our dead.
The waters rush swiftly, their current a cruel hand, sweeping away lives across the beloved land. The K9 units are searching with the armed forces of the Philippines for the missing in copies in the deep silent ravines. Millions were affected, from Visayas to Mindanao. In 3,000 sinners they sheltered together now. P11, 1 million in aid, a helping hand reached out, but the cost to the spirit leaves no room for doubt. The farmers and fishers, their livelihoods gone. P83 said an 8 million lost before the new dawn. In Cebu, the president ordered a change of ground. P10,000 for destroyed homes, on safer land they must be found. But it's more than the cash, it's the hope we must hold for the workers who have lost their livelihoods, a story to be told.
The world sends its comfort from partners so far. They see the struggle under this terrible scar.
The grief settles heavy in the air of Manila, but side by side we will rise.
From the winds of tears In the heart of the Philippines, the sky turned to gray when Typhoon came to steal the day. From the shores of Cebu to Negroes, Occidental's plain, the flash floods descended like an unstoppable rain. They braced for the surge, but the water came high and carried them fast beneath the weeping sky. 224 is the toll that we face. 135 still missing without a trace. We are very, very sorry, the president said, for the high casualty figures, for the loss of our dead. The waters rush swiftly, the current a cruel hand, sweeping away lives across the beloved land. The numbers are cold from the NDRMC scroll. Cebu, the hardest hit, taking the heaviest toll. From Negroes Oriental to Agusan del Sur, a chain of destruction that no one could cure. 95895 shattered and torn, while classrooms lie damaged where futures were born. 224 is the toll that we face. 135 still missing without a trace. We are very, very sorry, the president said, for the high casualty figures, for the loss of our dead. The waters rush swiftly, the current a cruel hand, sweeping away lives across the beloved land. The K9 units are searching with the armed forces of the Philippines for the missing in copies and the deep silent ravines. Millions were affected from Visayas to Mindanao. 3,000 centers they sheltered again now. With PM to win, 1,000,008 a helping hand reached out, but the cost to the spirit leaves no room for doubt. The farmers and fishers, their livelihoods gone. P83, 78 million lost before the new dawn. In Cebu, the president ordered a change of ground. P10,000 for destroyed homes on safer land. They must be found, but it's more than the cash. It's the hope we must hold for the workers who have lost their livelihoods. A story to be told. The world sends its comfort from partners so far. They see the struggle under this terrible scar. The grief sad